Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by finding the photo widget you want removed. This is important so you don't delete the wrong item. Once the screen is in edit mode, press and hold the widget icon until a contextual menu appears. Make sure to identify whether it's the system photo widget versus an app shortcut, because removal actions differ slightly. After identifying it, tap the remove or minus option. That begins the deletion process and prevents accidental loss of photos. Now you execute the removal. If it's a simple widget, tap remove or the minus sign and confirm. That detaches the widget but leaves the app and photos intact. If the widget is tied to an app, choose uninstall or remove app from the contextual menu. This deletes the app and its widget, so be cautious. Once done, the home screen reflows automatically. Make sure to press Done or Exit Edit Mode to save layout changes and verify the icon is gone. Finish by exiting Edit Mode and inspect the home screen to confirm removal. If the widget remains, restart the device to clear transient UI issues. Once rebooted, recheck the widget picker to ensure it's no longer listed. If you removed it accidentally, re-add it from the picker. If the widget keeps reappearing, open the associated app, clear its cache or data, and verify sync settings. This stops recurring widget recreation. If problems continue, consider updating the app or OS to resolve bugs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.